Hello, this is David again from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'm on a 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This boat is powered with a 250 Mercury engine, of course fuel injected. It's the 2020 model. It has the access on the top of the motor. It also has a power bimini top. You can control the bimini top right here from the helm with the push of a button. Okay, on the back of this boat, we have a large swim platform. We have a stainless steel boarding ladder, stainless steel tow bar. Of course, the rear lounger couch. We have stereo controls that you can reach from the water. Flip up cleats. There's charge ports and more stereo controls up here. Lots of storage underneath. This rear cushion is currently back for sitting forward, but can flip forward. Now we have a rear lounge pad. When the seat goes backwards, now everybody's facing forward for safe maneuvering, safe travels. Of course, with Harris, every seat has foldable down armrest with cup holders. This has the LED interior lighting package, so the cup holders actually light up. Our high back helm seat. We have a change house on the port side. This unfolds. You can put a porta potty there if you need to. Moving forward, I have in-floor storage underneath my feet. Once again, armrest, storage. All of the cushions on Harris are actually hinged and locked, so that way nothing's loose and flopping around. This boat also has a bow filler cushion as well, which allows for additional seating. This is removable, and then there's a gate in front if you needed to. On the helm, there's a lot going on this boat. We have a lockable dashboard up here. We can put stuff in. It locks with the ignition key. We have our Harris gauges, our trim, our fuel, RPMs and speed, hour gauge, RPM, what have you. We have a 9-inch SIMRAD for GPS, JL audio. All of our switches are over here on the starboard side. We have our master switch, our interior lighting. Of course, our bimini control top is right here. As I mentioned before, this is the 250 Mercury engine, digital throttle, digital shift. There's no mechanical link, everything's fly-by-wire on this particular boat. It's very seamless when you go to shift it, no lard banging, no fussing cables or anything like that. This is a gorgeous boat. I'd like to tell you more about it. It's available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Thank you.